Here is how to post videos on Fancly. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can post videos on Fancly. So let's start. First of all, go to fancly.com and then log into your account. After you have logged into your account, you will come to the home screen like this. Now, in order to post videos on the Fancly platform, first of all, you'll have to be a verified content creator. In order to be verified, you'll have to fill out an application requesting to be a model. After your application has been verified, you'll become a creator. Assuming you have already become a verified creator, you'll find a separate creator tab on your dashboard. So go to your creator tab and then tap on the option to upload files. As you go to the upload screen, you can directly upload photos or videos from your gallery. Now since you want to post videos, select the particular or multiple videos that you want to upload from your gallery. Furthermore, while uploading your videos, you can also set up various filters such as your audience, the time duration of the post and other details. So after setting up all those details and then filters, you can simply tap on upload and then make the post. So in this way, you can easily post videos on Fancly. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.